Hello and welcome to the channel, everybody. In this video I wanted to talk about the Quest 3 and some potential problems and maybe lack of quality control issues that we're having with the Quest 3. Now really, with my Quest 3, I haven't really personally experienced too much, although I have experienced one issue which I'll go into in a second. But there really seems to be an issue with 1, heat, and 2, the screens. Now I'm on Facebook here and I did see this one. The pixels keep glitching and it's really annoying. See these little glitching? I've experienced that. This seems to be an issue with potentially recording and play. If you're recording, this sometimes has an issue with that glitching if you record and game. So the way I just turned it off and turned it back on and it was okay again. So it seems to be a software issue that might be able to be fixed later, and that's fine. However, these next few might not be so easy. Another issue I've found coming up from multiple people is this error message that I'll throw up on the screen now, with the fans internally failing on the Quest 3. And I saw it once a little while ago and I thought, you know what, it's a mass-produced item. It's you're gonna get some failure here and there. But then I saw it again, and then I saw it again, and then I saw it again from more than one person. I started to think maybe this is an issue. If you go onto Google and type in Quest 3 overheating, you'll see multitudes of Quest 3 overheating. My Quest 3 died at 90 Hz due to overheating. Quest 3 overheating and screen flickering. Quest 3 overheating. Quest 3 link overheating. Alert alarm. And then even just this one on Reddit, you go into that, then you got more people. Mine turned itself on. I heard the overheating alarm from the next room. Pretty weird. This just happened to me. Have you noticed any issues since then? Had same issues today. This happened to me the past week. I won't cover every single post I could possibly find, but there's quite a few out there, and not to mention on Facebook as well, which is where I initially just saw it starting to pop up. Obviously there's issues with screen flickering, there's the weird glitching things which I have experienced as well, and there's also multiple posts on Facebook, Reddit, etc. all of second Quest 3. Again, dead pixel. Quest 3, dead pixel. Anyone else have dead pixel? Oh no. Stuck pixel. Quest 3, dead pixel. Quest 3 had serious issue. The big question is, should we be concerned about the Quest 3 longevity? If you've got a Quest 3, comment down below if you have any problems, or even if you don't have any problems. Still comment down below and say your device is fine. Quite commonly in all these forums and Facebook posts and all that, you get people that just do all the negative, but no one actually says anything positive. And it's good to get a bit of a gauge. How good is the reliability on the Quest 3? So I thought I would do a video at least to put it out there. If you're a follower of mine, you didn't know this, you're thinking about buying a Quest 3, just know that there is a potential chance that there may be issues in your future. Again, I haven't had these issues too much yet. I'm probably more a little worried about the overheating one, especially when the fans actually die inside. And I don't know how true it is, but apparently the ones mostly affected from the initial batch, and this was pre-ordered. This was part of the initial batch, so I'm a little bit worried about mine. Apparently, maybe it's better on the later batches, and there hasn't been too many issues with the overheating thing. But please, let us know. You got a Quest 3. Let us know down in the comments. Do you have issues with your Quest 3? Is this actually a problem? And I'd just like to see how many comments I get compared to no problems and yes, going through a warranty process, yes, dead pixels, overheating, etc. And maybe for anyone out there currently thinking about buying a Quest 3, they can check down in the comments, see a bit of a comparison on how many good, how many bad. As I said, mass-produced products are always going to have some failure rate, but sometimes there's a slightly higher failure rate, which is potentially a lack of quality testing and just quality control in general. And I have a sneaky suspicion maybe there might be a few more issues to the Quest 3 than what is normal for mass-produced products. And it could be of serious issue, so maybe not. Prove me wrong. I don't like doing videos like this because I want people to buy VR. I want people to have a better uptake of VR. The more VR headsets sold, the more games made and better games, more big manufacturers want to get into the VR industry with more people using them. So I don't like potentially shedding some dimness on a product like this. And as much as a lot of people like to hate on Meta has been spending a lot of money on the VR industry, and they have helped the VR industry incredibly, especially Quest 2 and now Quest 3, and getting VR into people's hands. But of course, the more we actually promote the problems, the higher chance of getting all this fixed and things being better in the long run. So let's hope that everything is all good and the failure rate isn't too bad. So anyway, thanks for watching this video, everybody. Hit the like button if you liked it. Comment down below with how your Quest 3 has been, and I will see you in the next video.